Hi everyone and welcome back. Well, today I have a new topic for us to talk about. Now, have you noticed lately that we've been getting thunderstorms? It's springtime, and in the springtime, we often get big thunderstorms. So today I want to talk to you about thunderstorms. Now, I didn't have pictures for this lesson, so instead I've drawn my own pictures. So this is going to be my big artwork today. But what we're going to start with is we're going to talk about what do we see when there is a thunderstorm. So I'm going to show you this picture. You can see right here, right at the top, I've drawn some clouds. Now, these clouds are not big, fluffy white clouds. Now, under here I have written, and of course the writing is backwards, but they are big, dark clouds. So when we're getting a thunderstorm, we do see big clouds coming, but they're dark. So when we look up into the sky, and I did this last night because we had a big thunderstorm, I looked out of the window and I saw dark clouds in the sky coming. So that's one thing you will see when we have a thunderstorm is dark clouds. Okay, so what else do we see in a thunderstorm? So here I'm looking at this yellow item right here in the middle of the page, and that is a big lightning bolt. So when we have a thunderstorm, you might see lightning, and right here beside my lightning, I've put the word boom, because lightning is very loud, and sometimes it's even a bit scary if it gets really loud. Some of you might have a cat or a dog at home that when they hear the lightning, they get scared and run away and hide. So another thing that happens when we get a big thunderstorm is we get this lightning that comes out of the clouds in the sky, and you'll see it flashing in the dark. Okay, so we call that lightning. Another thing that happens during a thunderstorm is that it rains. So last night we had a thunderstorm and it was a pretty big one, and it rained, and the rain came down, and it came down really hard. So you might find that during a thunderstorm it rains really hard, and generally you don't want to be outside when that happens. Like, I have to say, I love thunderstorms. I really do. They're one of my favorite things about the springtime. I just find them so relaxing and calming, but only if I'm inside the house. I don't like to be in the car during a thunderstorm, and I definitely don't want to be out walking in a thunderstorm. But I do love a thunderstorm when I'm inside my house. So that's another thing that you will see during a big thunderstorm is heavy rain. Now, some of you might be wondering, how does a thunderstorm happen? What makes a thunderstorm happen? So I've made a little picture here to try to explain what happens when a thunderstorm comes. So essentially what happens is, this is the sky, so this is the cloud in the sky. And what happens is warm air goes up into the sky, up towards the cloud. Okay, so as the warm air goes up and the cool air comes down, it creates a reaction up in the sky, and that warm air that's rising or going up, mixing with that cool air that's coming down, creates a thunderstorm. And that's when we get those big spring thunderstorms that I just love to have. So I hope you found that really interesting today. Let's just review really quickly what we learned about. So we learned that when there's a thunderstorm, there's dark clouds, there's lightning, there's rain, and when a thunderstorm occurs, it's because the warm air that's going up mixes with the cool air that's coming down. Okay, so that's our little thunderstorm lesson for today. I hope you found that really interesting, and now you'll know more when the next thunderstorm comes our way. All right, I hope you have a great day, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.